Let's set up a custom 404 page in WordPress. Let's get started step by step. First, go to the site editor by clicking Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, then selecting Editor. In the editor, select Templates from the menu. Look for the blue Add New Template button and click it. A pop-up will appear displaying all your existing templates. Scroll down and click on the 404 tab to create a new 404 page template. You'll see a Choose a Pattern pop-up. For this tutorial, let's skip this step and move on. Now it's time to add a call to action. Open the Master Maxi Blocks toolbar and click the library icon. Then select the Theme tab. Select the 404 Pages tab and choose a 404 page design that fits your style. Once you've inserted your 404 design, let's customize it by adding the necessary links to guide your users back to the main areas of your website. After making your customizations, click Save to finalize the new 404 page. To preview your new 404 page, type in a broken URL on your site, and you'll see the customized 404 page in action. It looks great, and that's it. You've successfully created and customized your 404 page. This will help users navigate your site even when they encounter an error.